Right guys, we get so many questions asking how does the Capristo remote kit actually work? So we have a GTC full Lusso here, which is fitted with a full exhaust and a remote kit. I've got the keys with the remote fob on the keys, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works right now. Right now it's in normal OEM valve control, which means the valves are closed and it will open at 2.5, 3,000 revs. So that's if you press number 1. If you go to number 2, you can hear them open. So this means they'll be open at all times. So essentially the two settings are OEM valve control, which means closed until opening at 2.5, 3,000 revs, same as factory, or fully open, no matter what mode you're in, fully open. And in terms of revving a car, here's an example of what this actually means. Finally guys, we've got 2 more buttons on the remote, 3 and 4. Pressing those 2 together actually saves the current mode you're in. So when you start up the car, if you want to save it for open at all times, it will start and be open the whole time. If you want it on 1, which is OEM valve control, it'll just work as normal.